Hi everybody, welcome to episode 16 of Coffee and Crafting. Today we're going to be making this DIY Christmas tree yarn pillow, and I think it's so cute, and I cannot wait to show you how to make it. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Look how cute that is. Don't you think that's adorable? So we've got two done. Now we're going to do one more. Thank you for my sweater. I got it at Anthropologie, and I looked there the other day because some of you had been asking, and it's sold out. It's not for sale anymore, but it's by the Mauve brand, M-A-E-V-E. I love their stuff. I got it on sale because, you know, it can get a bit expensive. Okay, so now we've done two. We're gonna do one more. If you did not hear me the first time because my microphone wasn't working, we can go through the process again. Okay. So for the first one, I'm going to use these as a template. I'm basically just taking my yarn and I'm going to cut the first one because we need to have the right size, and I'm just going to eyeball the placement. But if you like, you can easily put a ruler to this, making sure that it's placed out properly. Okay, so I'm actually just going to use a piece of yarn to determine what size where I start. And I know that's not exact, and my husband would not like that, but it works for me. Okay, and now we're just going to apply the glue directly in a triangle shape to the pillow. And I'm using Beacon's Fabri-Tac. This is my favorite fabric glue. All the details are in the description below if you want to check it out. And then I'm going to take that piece of yarn that I had, and I am going to apply it directly to the pillow. Okay, so, and I also recommend keeping a napkin nearby because it can get a little messy. So this is how the first one looks, and then you're just going to fill it in yarn piece by yarn piece. Okay, so for the next one, I'm going to clean off my nozzle, and then I'm going to apply the glue to the inside of the yarn. And for these, I'm just going to apply the yarn directly on top of the glue, and I am going to then trim the yarn this way. I did not cut it in advance because I want to make sure that it fits perfectly on there. Okay, so the next step, I'm going to make this a little bit higher so y'all can see. I am just, again, applying the glue directly onto the pillow, and then I'm going to take this piece of yarn and I'm going to carefully attach it to the inside of this open Christmas tree. And then I'm going to trim it. And as you can see, I'm slowly making layers so that we have these really cute Christmas trees. Nancy, this is not embroidered. It is all glue. I adore embroidery, and I do it from time to time, but this process is so simple. And like I said, you could apply this, you can make your own Christmas ornament, you could put this on a fun wooden piece, you can make this into a card, you can make this into a gift topper. It could be really simple. And I apply this technique to my ghost pillow, which is the other side of this pillow. This is my holiday pillow here at the studio. And so to save a little money, I thought it'd be fun to make one side my fall pillow and then my other side my Christmas pillow. So okay, we will continue to attach this, and this Fabri-Tac is a great glue. You can wash with it, but with this particular pillow, I would not recommend that just because the pom-poms, I don't know how secure they are. I would hand wash this. This is a pillow that I honestly don't let my children touch because they will probably get it dirty. Okay, we're just going to continue to add the yarn to the inside. And if you want, while you're here, you can still trim some other pieces if you think they're looking a little too long. Sometimes when I'm adding my yarn, it's a little long on one side, and it is just up to you. Okay, so we're gonna add, let's see how many layers we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is our last layer. I try to keep it uniform so that, especially when it's in, I use the other ones as a template. Okay, so for this last one, all we're gonna be doing is we're basically gonna be having the two pieces of yarn kiss together, okay? Instead of making that triangle, we're just doing the inside of the tree. Perfect. Okay, so simple, so fun. And now you have it, this adorable tree base. And now you just have to add your embellishments, okay? So let's add those really fun embellishments. Okay, so again, I'm gonna use this velvet ribbon that I got. I got this at Hobby Lobby, but velvet is all the rage this year, as is bows, which I am so on board for. So you can find a really thin ribbon online. And all the other materials I've linked below in the description below if you want to check them out. Okay, so we're just going to make a really simple bow, and all I like to do is create a little loop at the top, and then I bring the ribbon around, and then I'm going to take this other side and bring it through the front. And if you missed that, don't worry, I'm going to have a full tutorial on how to make a bow in my gift topper series that I'm featuring here on Facebook and Instagram if you want to check that out. Okay, so the goal with this bow is that it's not overpowering, but it's still really cute, as is that. So I'm going to trim this side because I'm not actually gluing the ends down. I don't want to make it too big to where it'll come off. Well, I'm so happy, Lynn, that you love the pom-pom tree. That is directly behind me. It's been really fun crafting with y'all, so thank you for saying that. It makes me really happy. Okay, so here we're going to attach this bow directly to the pillow as the cute little tree topper. So cute. You could stop here if you'd like, or you can continue to add embellishments like I've done. And with these embellishments, as I've mentioned before, you could make them monochromatic, you could add just red, you could do just white, you could do all kinds of really fun things. But as far as placement goes, I'm just super random with the placement, and I think that adds to its whimsy. I'm just changing up the colors, just so your eye keeps moving around your adorable Christmas trees. And even though I love felting and I love making felted balls, I did purchase these off Amazon because it was, in all honesty, much simpler to do. Okay, let's keep going with these. I don't like the green one because it doesn't show on that green yarn. Okay, let's see, let's add, I always like a fun pop of yellow to tie into the bow. One at a time. I'm just taking my time with it and the placement, removing any excess whiskers that you may have from the glue. Even though, and don't worry about if this glue, if it's showing, it does dry clear. So that's what's great about it too. I'm just gonna finish up adding some more cute colors. Okay, let's do one more down here. And in all honesty, I don't overthink these things. I just have fun with it because I think that's the beauty in creating. It's just to have fun and enjoy the process. And that is what I'm doing here. And that is what I hope for you. That's what I hope to inspire you to do as well. So do you want to see the finished product that we've made in less than like 20 minutes? So here it is, this charming, charming tree pillow. I love it so much. The colors are so cute. It is such a fun one and such a simple one that you can make this Christmas. Again, if you have any questions, in the description below, I've got all the details on the tools that I've used, as well as the original tutorial featuring this ghost tutorial. So I so appreciate y'all being here today and crafting with me. This has been so much fun. I'm sorry for the technical difficulties, but thank you for letting me know. I really appreciate that. And until next time, I hope to see you next Monday here on Facebook at noon Central Standard Time. You'll have a beautiful Monday, and I'll talk to you soon, guys. Thank you.